Welcome to the second part of our mesmerizing journey as we continue to unveil the captivating marriage of indoor and outdoor spaces in a home where the beauty of nature converges with modernity. In this episode, we venture deeper into the enchanting realm of a natural courtyard harmoniously integrated with a state-of-the-art kitchen and discover how this unique design not only elevates aesthetics but also redefines the way we experience our living spaces. As we step inside this extraordinary dwelling, you'll be captivated by the synergy of organic elements, bountiful natural light, and contemporary design, all converging to create an atmosphere that is simultaneously soothing and functional. In this immersive video experience, we invite you to explore the following facets of this extraordinary space. Witness the art of bringing the outdoors in as we unveil how the design seamlessly fuses the courtyard with the kitchen. The generous windows and expansive glass doors serve as portals, allowing the lush greenery to become a dynamic part of your daily life. Journey through a kitchen that is a testament to the union of form and function. Discover a chef's paradise, equipped with top-of-the-line appliances and adorned with natural materials, creating an elegant culinary space that combines aesthetics with functionality. This space is not just for preparing meals, it's a haven for socializing and entertaining. Our video showcases how the design encourages gatherings, turning both the interior and exterior into ideal settings for memorable moments. Delve into how the ingenious use of natural light and thoughtful ventilation creates an ambience that exudes spaciousness and tranquility, transforming your home into a rejuvenating sanctuary. Experience the therapeutic effect of a meticulously designed courtyard, an oasis that soothes the soul. We'll unveil the carefully selected plants and landscaping elements that enhance the visual and emotional allure of this outdoor-indoor haven. Materials matter, and our video provides insights into the selection of natural stone, rich wood, and other elements, highlighting how they contribute to the overall aesthetic and feel of the space. By the end of this extensive journey, you will have an in-depth understanding of how a natural courtyard can become an integral part of your living space, offering you a breathtaking, functional, and harmonious environment that is sure to inspire your own design aspirations. Don't miss out on this remarkable adventure into the realm of seamless living. In this part 2 of Natural Courtyard Indoor Blend with Kitchen, we promise to leave you inspired, allowing you to imagine a future where indoor and outdoor spaces coalesce, enriching your life and home in ways you've never before dreamed possible.